Biker Boyz of L.A. What's up, Biker Boyz of L.A. Ain't just have no words to say. From the office to the freeway, yeah, let it fade away. What's up, Biker Boyz of L.A. We ride smart, we don't play. From downtown lights to Malibu way. Ain't the greatest day, we glide that way. Biker Boyz of L.A. Horse stress goes away. Two wheels, one cold away, yeah. Keep it clean, keep it safe. Stuck in the office chair too tight. Negative at your dope overnight. Hip locked up, mind on pause. Cocky, kicking, breaking laws. Damn it, Clay, jabby it on. Problem stay when the bike is gone. Honda Suzuki, don't out of the brand. Iron horse, yeah, I'm taking the man. Downtown LA, late night cruise. Eyes on mirrors, fleeting moves. We don't waste goals, we don't flex style. Ride with respect, stand out from the pride. What's up, Biker Boyz of L.A. We ride smoke, we don't play. From downtown lights to Malibu way. Angel Chris, yeah, we got that way. Biker Boyz of L.A. I horse stress goes away. Two wheels, one cold away, yeah. Keep it clean, keep it safe. Angel Chris was lean just right. Mountains talking, the angels bite. Rock Canyon bands, man, I could breeze. Drive smooth, body at ease. We hit clean, stop it tight. That for sure, the skill in sight. Watch the streets, so my body falls. Dirty ends moving through concrete walls. Beverly Hills, gone, go through. No drama, just a bit of you. LA nights, say the bread. Ride for life, not G with this. Two wheels keep for life, can't say. Alice first, then fire your way. When the world too loud, mind too tight. The hope puts everything back wide. What's up, Biker Boyz of L.A. We ride small, we don't pit. Downtown lights to Malibu way. Angel Chris, there we black that way. Biker Boyz of L.A. And horse stress goes away. Two wheels, one cold, one way, yeah. Ride free, ride smart, every day. Engine cool, hell it off. Husker beat, ten shit off. By the barn, a villain. Respect the ride, respect the